Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Instagram. Please wait a few minutes before you try again. When you open the Instagram software, this problem appears when you try to log in. You can solve this problem very easily. Hope you watch the complete video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click Settings. Click Apps. Then click App Management. Find Instagram app. Click Instagram. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. If you are a Wi-Fi user, your Wi-Fi problem might be the solution for Wi-Fi users. Then turn off your Wi-Fi router once. Wait a minute. Then turn on your Wi-Fi router. Next step. First connect your Wi-Fi. Then open any browser. Then type router IP address. Type your router's admin panel password. Click System Tools. Then click Reboot option. Click Reboot button. Wait until the process complete. Restart your phone. If you are using mobile data, then the solution is for you. Next step. Click Settings. Click Mobile Network. Select the SIM card with which you use the internet. Then click Access Point Names. Click plus icon. Type SIM name. Then type APN Internet. Click Save. Now try to log in again and see if the problem persists. You can see my problem is still not fixed. Open Google Play Store. Then search Instagram. Click Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Try to log in again. As you can see, my problem is solved. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.